I help you?
Yeah, I'd like 3 orders of garlic chicken.
And then?
And then 3 orders of white rice.
And then?
Yeah, 3 orders of wonton soup.
And then?
Gosh, I think that's about it.
And then?
No, that's it.
And then?
No and then. That's all I want.
And then?
No, see, all I want is the 3 orders of the garlic chicken and the 3 orders of the white rice.
And then?
I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
And then?
No! No and then!
And then?
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 You're starting to piss me off, lady.
And then?
I'm gonna come in there, and I'm gonna put my foot in your ass if you say and then again!
And then?